Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to create this makeup look. This is the very bold red lips paired with a black winged eyeliner look, and it's universally flattering. Even from 60s till now, just people loves this look, and it's one of my personal favorite. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. So I have moisturized my face, and for the primer I am using NIVEA Aftershave Balm, and it contains glycerin guys, which actually helps your foundation to stick on your face. So if you don't know the use of this NIVEA Aftershave Balm, you should be following Nikki tutorials. She is just crazy about this product. It just acts as a primer. So I'll be just putting it all over my face. For the foundation, I'm using LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Light Tan. It's a matte foundation, and the undertone of this foundation is really nice. So I'll be just warming it up a little bit and just dot it all over my face. So this is a buffing brush. It's the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. So even you can use the beauty blender to blend out your foundation, but I want to get a little more coverage. So I'm using this buffing brush to buff out my foundation. Now to make everything look very nice and blended, I'm just taking this beauty sponge and run it all over my face. And this is how my face is looking. Now for the concealer guys, I'm using Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, and it's not a full coverage concealer, it's a medium coverage concealer, and it will not highlight your face so much. I don't want my face to look so much highlighted and cakey, so I will just use a concealer similar to my skin tone and put it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the areas where you just need to conceal. Now taking the sponge again, I will just blend out the concealer. This is the Pune Store Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I have done a complete in-depth review of this sponge. You can just click on that eye to watch it. So this is how my face is looking. Now to set my overall face, I'm using this LAKME 925 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Silky Golden, and it's a great product guys. It's not at all cakey on your face. It will just set up your face. I just don't want my face to look super duper full coverage, hence I'm just using it to set. Now for the bronzer, I'm using this Freedom bronzer, and this is the second time I will be using this product. And I will just not do a sort of a harsh contouring thingy, but I will just bronze up my skin with this angular brush from BH Cosmetics. And I really don't like this bronzer guys, because it has got this red undertone. As you can see, I just want my bronzer to look a little warm. Anyways, I have to work with it, and so I'll be just putting it in the hollows of my face, on my forehead, and other areas where I just need to bronze up. I will also contour my nose a little bit to just give it a structured look. So this is how my face is looking after bronzing. Now it's time to do my eyes, and for the eyes I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon 10 Pan eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. So I'm taking this transition shade. It's a sort of light brown shade. When you are just doing a very bold lip, you should be keeping your eyes very simple and subtle. So taking this transition color, I will just blend it all over my crease. Now I will take this pearly beige shade from that palette and put it all over my lid. It has got this pearly finish, which will actually make the eyeliner pop a lot more. So it is not glittery or very shiny. It has got this pearly finish, which is so nice to pair up with this look. Now taking this dark brown shade from the palette, I will take it and define my eyes a little more. I will just put it in the outer corners of my eyes and give it a lot more depth. Now taking the dark brown shade again, I will put it in the lower lash line. I will just leave it over there. I will not do a lot more for my lower lash line. Now taking this RIMMEL Scandaleyes Kohl Kajal in the shade 01 Profound Black, I will just tightline my upper and lower waterline with it. This is a complete smudge proof and waterproof kajal, guys, and it will stay on your eyes for around 8 hours. So you can see this is how my eyes are looking. Now for the liner, I'm using this L'Oreal Gel Intenza in the shade 01 Profound Black, and I'm taking this fine liner brush from Zoeva Cosmetics, and it has got this defined curved tip which actually gives you a lot more control to do the perfect winged eyeliner. So I have started on drawing the winged eyeliner, and I'm drawing very small strokes very close to my lash line, and you have to use very small multiple strokes to draw the wing, because this will just give you a lot more control, and you can just even increase the thickness according to your own wish. So I have done a complete in-depth video showing how to do a proper winged eyeliner. You can just watch it. So I'll be just lining my lines with it properly and drawing the wing, as you can see, and you can just increase the wing according to your own likings and even increase the thickness of it as well. So I'm quite happy how it turned out. It's really hard to do on camera, guys, but I have done it. And now it's time to curl my lashes. I will be not wearing any false eyelash. So this is a local eyelash curler that I got from a local market, and it works pretty well. So I'll be just curling up my lashes. So for the mascara, I'm using my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I got the waterproof variant. So when you are just curling up your lashes, try to use a waterproof mascara, as it just holds up your curls. So I will be just coating my lashes with it. So you can see this is how my eyes are looking. Now I will take this matte beige shade from the palette, and it has got a lot of fallouts, and I will just highlight my brow bone with it. I will also put this in the inner corners of my eyes as well. Now for the blush, I'm using this Studiowest Pure Passion Radiance blush in the shade Dusty Rose, and if you have a nearby West Side store at your place, then you can just grab it from their retail store. It's not available online, and it's said to be due for NARS orgasm. So I'll just put it on the apples of my face. Now it's time to do my lips, and for the lips, guys, I'm using my favorite red. This is the MAC Ruby You, and it's the universal red which everyone just loves, and it's one of my favorite reds, and I will just put it on my lips. And I am really crazy about this Ruby, you guys. It's such a good blue toned red which actually suits Indian skin tones so well. So you can see it's such a pretty shade and looks really nice with this bold winged eyeliner. And now for the highlighter, I'm using another favorite of mine, and it's the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shades Molten Gold. And if you want to have a perfect blinding highlighter in drugstore, you should be having this, and it's so great, guys. It just makes your highlighter look so glowy and so nice. So I'll just put it on my cheekbones, on the areas, high spines of my face where I just need to put the highlighter. I will also put it in the inner corners of my eyes. It will just help in just opening up my eyes. So you can see this is how my face is looking now. Now to seal and fix everything, I am just using this Makeup Revolution makeup setting spray, and it has got a nice smell as well. So I'm just taking a good little shower in it. So that's all guys, this is how it turned out, and I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next video, and we'll be coming up with a lot more tutorials. Take care, bye.